Hi everyone, so in today's video I will backtest my strategy on USD CAD on the 1 hour time frame just to prove to you how powerful my strategy is and to show you how it works and some tips and secrets that I'm going to share in this video. Stay tuned. So without wasting any more seconds, let's get started. First of all, we are seeing that the market is ranging, it is moving sideways. There is no trend to follow, there is no specific direction to follow. My eyes don't tell me anything about the market right now. It is just stuck between this resistance and this support. As soon as the market touches this resistance, it starts falling. As soon as the market touches this support, it starts going up. And this is not the style I really like to trade with. I really like to trade trends because trend gives a boost to my strategy. So recently we actually broke this resistance. This resistance, which was full with sellers, actually got broken. This is proving to you that the buyers are stronger than the sellers, and this place now belongs to the buyers, and it is officially called a support because the buyers took the territory of the sellers. Now I want something like a pullback. I want the market to retrace, to come to this place again, give me a sort of a confirmation, a doji candle, a bullish engulfing candle to show me that this small new downtrend is willing to reverse and the buyers will eventually come to push the market towards the upward direction, which is the direction I'm hoping for. So let's run these candles and see if my predicted setup is happening. Cool, we actually touched this support. Let's run these candles slowly to have a sort of a confirmation. Cool, this is a weak red candles from the sellers. This is suggesting that the sellers are getting weaker and weaker after touching this support. Let's see if we have any signal from the buyers. That's cool. This is a strong green candle at a support zone, at a new formed trend. Definitely I will take my trade and I will take my decision. I will make my stop loss below any last week. The reason why I try and I advise you guys to put your stop loss below the last week, because market already touched this, hit that point. So maybe it will hit it again before going in my direction. So just to be safe, make your stop loss the safest possible and make it below any last week. My take profit, obviously I will make it on the previous higher high because this place contains a small amount of the sellers, which I don't want to get in trouble with because maybe they will reverse me, but I guarantee that the market will come to this place at the end of the day. So let's run these candles and see if we actually won this trade. As I told you, market came to this place again, created a new lower low before going in my direction. That's cool. Actually, it was really fast. Let me make it back. Cool. So we won this trade. Now, the same thing here for an uptrend. I will just draw this resistance. Actually, this is a resistance. Let me include this one too. Cool. This is a resistance. We actually kind of breaking it right now. I want something like sort of a pullback. As I told you here, same this example. I want the market to come to this place again, give me a sort of a confirmation, then I will buy to the previous higher high. So let's run these candles and see. Okay, it went really fast. I just want the market to come to this place smoothly. Cool. So we actually hit that place. But we can see that this green candle is not really stronger enough to overcome the sellers. This sell candle is higher and there is a lot of volume in this candle compared to the buyers. So I will head to the 15-minute time frame to check what the market is doing in details. So that's cool, guys. Look at this. Market actually went down to touch this place to retrace back, and we have a doji candle suggesting a reversal of this small new downtrend and a strong green candle from the buyers suggesting now that the buyers are entering the market to push the market towards the upside. That's cool. I will take my buy position here. My stop loss, as I told you, it should be below any last week, which is this, and my take profit should be on the previous higher high that contains some fairly amount of the sellers. So let's run this and see if our analysis was correct. So we won this trade. Cool. Now let's head back to the 1 hour time frame, which is our mainly traded time frame. I will mark a resistance and hopefully we'll break it back, then sort of a break it back, then sort of a pullback, then with the confirmation I will definitely buy. So let's run these candles and see if our predicted setup is happening. Actually, we failed to break this one. We are actually testing this resistance, which is now a support multiple times. Let's see. I think we actually breaking this. I think we're actually breaking this support zone. So let me head back to the 15-minute time frame to check what the market is doing in details. Uh, Actually, this is a support zone. Actually, so this is a support zone, and the market is in an uptrend. So I want to buy, but I'm seeing that the sellers are willing to push the market towards the downside. What should I do in this case? Just draw a downtrend from this place to this place. Draw a downtrend. Cool. This was a resistance because as soon as the market touched this place, it started going towards downside. Cool. And we broke it. So this resistance now is a support. Market is touching this support. Market is touching this support. Now I need a confirmation. If I have a confirmation, then I will buy. So let's run these candles slowly. That's actually a good setup. Let me remind you back. This is a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. We broke it. We made a range here. We pulled back to it. We have a confirmation, a green candle in the intersection between a strong support horizontal line and a strong support diagonal line. So let's take our trade. Let's make our stop loss below this week and my take profit on the place that can reverse me, which is this previous strong higher high. This is a 2.27 risk reward ratio. Let's hope for the best and win, hopefully. Actually, it was really fast. We won this trade. This was a very strong candle. It was nearly 68 pips. So let's head back to the 1 hour time frame to see what the market is doing in details. I don't have any resistance here to trade on. We actually have some levels here. I have this support. I have this resistance. And I have this support too, which is now a resistance because we broke it. Cool. Let me extend it. So now I want something. Let me head back to the 1 hour time frame. I want sort of a full breakout, then pull back, then buy into this strong resistance. Same thing here. If we break it, pull back, then buy into to this strong resistance. Okay, so let's run these candles and see if our expectations are correct. Okay, let's go slowly. That's cool, guys. Actually, we broke this resistance. We pulled back to it. It is not a strong pullback, but we pulled back to it. We have a strong green candle, stronger than the previous all sellers candles combined. I will definitely take my buy here. My stop loss should be below the last week, which is this one. Actually, this one too. And my take profit should be on this place as we mentioned earlier, and which we marked on the 4 hour time frame. Let's run these candles and see if we are in a winning trade. It was really fast. Wait. Okay, so we want this trade. Now the next setup, I want something like this. I want now we broke this resistance. The market is heading strongly towards the upward direction. We broke this resistance. I want something like a pullback. Then I will buy up to this strong resistance zone. So let's run these candles and see if we are right. Okay, market is going down. It's actually a bit risky because the market went. This is a strong confirmation. I don't want this. I want a strong confirmation, but not that strong. I will make my profit here. My stop loss, as I told you, it should be below the last week. But to make my risk reward ratio safe, I will just make it 1-to-1. I will try to make it here. This is a risky. Actually, this is a risky trade. This is a 1.01 risk reward ratio. Let's hope for the best to end this video. And we actually won this trade. That's cool. So we actually took 5 winning trades in an uptrend. We just bought. We didn't sell anything because the overall market direction is up after we broke this resistance. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. See you guys. Bye bye.